Assalamu alaikum, dear learners. Hope you are feeling very well. Today, my students are also going to perform a dialogue before you. And so, for this region, you will enjoy the dialogue very much. The dialogue is about the importance of tree planting trees, and this is very much essential fact for our climate. And so for the development of your speaking skill, keep contact with Shohag online English tutorial. And for this region, I request my students to introduce themselves before. At first, I will request Samia Sultana to introduce herself before you. Samia Sultana, introduce yourself.
Assalamu alaikum. I would like to introduce myself before you. This is Samia Sultana with you. I am a student of All Asian Girls High School. I read in class 10.
Finish.
Assalamu alaikum. At first, I like to introduce myself before you. This is Khanis with you. I am a student of All the Asian Girls High School and I read in class 10.
Now we are going to perform a dialogue between I and my friend Khanis about the importance of tree plantation.
Start.
Hi Samia.
Hello Khanis, how are you?
I am fine and what about you?
I am not bad. Please tell me about the importance of tree plantation.
Yes, I think you know that trees are the most essential fact for our country and countrymen.
How does trees play a vital role for saving our environment?
Trees are called the storehouse of carbon dioxide. They take carbon dioxide and provide oxygen for us.
Do you know the variety of trees?
There are many kinds of trees in our country. Some trees give us food, so they are called food trees. Again, some trees give us wood, so they are called wood trees.
Is there a lot of merits of tree plantation?
Yes, you are right. They also help to make our environment cool.
But it's a matter of great regret that there are some dishonest people who cut down trees recklessly.
Oh, I see. Some people cut down trees to earn money.
Yes, there are some dishonest people who cut down trees in order to make fire, furniture, accommodation, etc.
You are right. If this process continues on, there will be no trees to provide oxygen.
Yes, so the government as well as the Commonwealth should take every proper steps to stop cut down trees.
Yes, we should plant more and more trees.
Yes, thank you very much for your valuable information.
You are most welcome. Bye.
Bye.